Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register your domain with Bluehost, beginner guide step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the Bluehost website. Click on the Get Started button prominently displayed on the homepage. Select a hosting plan that fits your needs. The basic plan is suitable for single websites. Choose the Plus or Choice Plus plans for multiple sites or added features. After selecting your plan, click on the Select button. You will now be prompted to enter your domain name. Type in your desired domain name in the provided field. Check the availability of your domain name. If your chosen domain is available, you can proceed. If it's taken, consider alternative suggestions provided by Bluehost. Once you have your domain name, click Next. You will then be directed to the Account Information section. Fill out your personal details, including your name, address, and phone number. Create a secure password for your Bluehost account. Next, move to the Package Information section. Choose your account plan duration. Select any additional features you may want, like domain privacy protection. Review your package price and check for discounts. Fill in your billing information accurately. Proceed to enter your payment information. After reviewing all details, click on the Submit button to finalize your purchase. You will receive a confirmation email with your account details. Log into your Bluehost account using your newly created credentials. Congratulations, your domain is now registered with Bluehost. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.